guys, today I will unbox the air fryer oven that my mother-in-law gave us. The oven toaster that we got was broken now. Got broken, so we decided to throw it. And my mother-in-law decided to give us a new one. The one that we have, the older one, is tiny. But this one, she gave us money and she said, go and buy your own so you have a new one. So I decided to buy air fryer oven toaster. Or you can cook. Look at this guy. You can cook rotisserie chicken. You can fry. You can make pizza. Any kind, guys. Multi-purpose. So it comes with this. Then that. Comes with this one for fries. I think this is for fries. Comes with accessories. This one for when you cook rotisserie. And then this for fry or for any stuff that you make. Then to catch the oil, drip oil, tree oil. And this one, another accessory. And then when you put your stuff over there, like pizza or something. So that's that. This one is 𝕒𝕚𝕚𝕚
𝕒𝕚𝕚𝕚.
Huh?
𝕒𝕚𝕚𝕚.
𝕒𝕚𝕚𝕚𝕚. Anyway, I tried. 𝕒𝕚𝕚𝕚 to be right. The right one. Sorry, guys. No wonder it sounds so ugly. Lagas. So it's nice now. It's small. That's what it is. So cute. Alright, that's it, guys. That's it for my unboxing and some stuff. I made some adobo. So let's go check my adobo. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I cooked chicken adobo. I added pineapple chunks for more flavor. And then it's almost done. I use olive oil instead of cooking oil because I like it better. It's not a lot of flavor than the cooking oil. I added soy sauce and laurel leaf, onion and garlic, and some black peppers whole. It looks like. Hey guys, I went to Walmart and got this clearance lemon cake. It's 50% off. It's really good. It's not very lemony flavor, but it's good. I already tasted it. It's nice.